Now you have your 4 pieces. They look like this. Now you're going to sew them together like a pinwheel, like so. Before that I did press to the dark. So now I did sew them together, 2 pieces, and the next I will sew all the 4 pieces together like this. And so now we will go and press it. This middle seam I pressed it open because it will be really a lot of fabric in the middle here, so you press it open. So now we are going to make this part. It's looking like a flying geese, but with 2 different colors on the smaller pieces. And I'm going to use this, and this. It will look like this. Like this when it's finished. Now we have 3 pieces. Please remember to put these 2 pieces in the correct place, not having this piece on that side, because then you will have it like this. It won't fit. It doesn't look good. It should be the same like this. So now I will press it and I will sew it down on the top. And it will look like this. So now we're going to make these corners. We are going to use one from the background color and one from the corner color. Like this. And we are going to press to the dark side. We make 4 like this and press them. So now we are going to make these pieces. We have this already and we have these already. Now we are going to sew them to the flying geese. The corners to the 2 of the flying geese. Like so. like so. We press them, and when we press them, we are going to sew this piece to this piece. You will use pins for matching the seams, like this. Open, check. Oh no, look at this. This would be a disaster. Oh my god. Always check you have right pieces where they belong and seams where they belong. Now it should look like this. Like this. Now you're doing the same thing with the last piece. And now I'm going to press it and sew it to the block. That's the last piece. Then it's finished.